Hey guys, thanks so much for coming back to my channel. So I am going to talk about divatress.com, another wig that is a bomb from divatress.com. This is the Teairra wig and it is gorgeous. It is so soft. It is a synthetic lace front wig. This is how it's packaged. This is the #2 wig. This wig is so beautiful, and yes, it still looks great. I've had it for whew, I can't even tell you, a few months. The wig is very nice. It is synthetic, so expect what synthetic will do. Very little tangling. If you're looking for it on divatress.com, that is the number that you can put in there. It comes in a variety of colors, but let me tell you, this wig is beautiful. And as you can see, there's 2 little combs in the very front. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to get you to see. And then there's one right there in the back, and then there's the drawstring. And you'll see in the video I put it way too tight, but this wig is very snug. And as you can see right there is that little bit of lace. It's not much lace on this wig. See, there it is. And then see, I put it too tight. So yeah, you can, if you got a real small head, this is small head friendly, and it's also big head friendly because I have a big dome. So this really worked for my head. I was able to loosen it up. I am just showing you the wig. I did not manipulate my baby hairs, or I didn't pluck anything. I just want to show you how this wig looks. So just stay tuned. I'm going to try to put the combs that are inside in. Oh wow, this thing is so secure. Oh wow. This wig is so pretty. Wow. So this is the wig. I am really loving this. This is super soft. I love how the waves are in this wig, just a slight bump. This wig is really pretty. As you can see in the beginning of the video, that's how it comes packaged. Teairra wig. This is in the color #2. It has a variety of colors it comes in, and this is the Bobby Boss lace front. They say that each hair strand on the lace is individually hand knotted, allowing the look and movement of natural hair in a wide spectrum of dazzling colors and elegant styles. The color that the girl has on in the front is like a teal color, and it still looks elegant. I know I wouldn't wear teal, but it's very elegant looking. So yeah, this is the wig. This is gorgeous. Just want you to see the side and back. And as I always say, with Divatress, their wigs, Marky, come here. Divatress wigs have no smell. This one is tangling, not at all, but again, I just put this one on. Sometimes the synthetic wigs, after time, they have like a bit of snag, like at the nape area, and a bit of matting, but right now this wig is bomb.com. I love it. I've done nothing at all to the parting area. No. I've done nothing at all to the parting area. And yeah.